Wait a minute. This is the easiest thing that you can do in Filmora right now. Well, we are going to start with the traditional method, which is all over YouTube across different editing programs. But before we close this video, there's something so special that separates Filmora from the crowd. And for that, drag down the video that you'd like to blur one or more characters. I got this video right here that we are going to use. Now when you go to the effects tab right here and search for the mosaic, this is the top effect that you are going to find. It's only used to cover up still subjects or objects. But that's not exactly what we want. We need something that has something to do with tracking. So then, having your video selected in the timeline, go to this option right here, which is the AI tools. When you scroll further down here, you are going to find the motion tracking. Adjust the motion tracking target and then start the tracking. Now that the tracking is successful, right down here on the link element, you have an option right here to add a mosaic. And right here, of course, you can adjust the mosaic. And this, my friend, is going to apply as well for the stickers. And search for the mosaic. Drag one of your choice just above your motion tracked video. You can now select this option right here, which is your sticker. Hey, but what if you want to blur multiple objects at the same time? So let's find out Filmora's best method for this. Well, let's delete all the effects right here and then start afresh. Now this time around, when you go to the effects tab, under the body effects, you are going to see the face mosaic option right here. And as you can see, a lot of effects right here are labeled AI. Which means AI is going to do the tracking job. There is no motion tracking that is going to be involved this time around. You can see right here that something is going on. And now when you go to the effects properties here, you can see that there's a process of detecting faces that's going on. And once it's done processing, you can choose right here which one of the detected faces do you want. After that, you can adjust the strength, feather, and the opacity. And that right there, my dear friend, is a work of art. Just drag down the effect and it's game over. Subscribe and share the content. Let's meet in the next episode. Peace.